Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some new spoilers for the BoxyCharm June Premium Box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing more spoilers for the BoxyCharm June boxes. That was all of them. That was the base box, premium, and luxe, which we only had one on the premium. Well, thank you so much, Maria Gill. Maria says, "Hi, sweetheart. Hope you're having a great day." Well, Maria, honey, it's going okay. I did wake up to about 300 messages because my Instagram was hacked. So, I better slip that in here now. If y'all received any messages from me from my Instagram account with any links, do not hit the links. And if you already done it, change your password and do it now. I think I got it straightened out, but, who knows. But other than that, Maria, I've been having a good day, honey. And I hope you're having a great day as well. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are new spoilers that we're just now seeing for the BoxyCharm June Premium Box. Now, of course, we've already seen a load of spoilers for the June Base Box and also Boxy Luxe, but we haven't seen many of the Premium June Box, but now they are finally starting to pour out. So let me go ahead and show you what we got. Now, yesterday we seen the $1 Billion Brow Sculpting Duo Brush. Well, today we got some new ones. So the first one is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Face Masks. There is 6 pieces, so I'm assuming 6 different masks. Next up is the Living Proof Restore, Repair, Leave-In Conditioner. And then we have another Living Proof item. This is the Restore Instant Protection Spray. And then last but certainly not least is the Skin & Co. Is that Sardian? I don't know, y'all. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, the Spirit Shower Gel, and this is a limited edition, so that's exciting. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Is it Oaxica LB? I hope I said that right. I probably didn't, but I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, she is a new subscriber, and she's just telling me how she loves my videos and my voice. Well, girl, honey, first of all, welcome to the family. We're all crazy, but in time you'll get used to it, and then before you know it, you're one of us. So I really appreciate you subscribing and joining my family, honey, and thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube takes my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. I'm so sorry about the cat, y'all. She is very boisterous today. She will not shut up. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.